This video is brought to you by Monster Insights. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to add infinite scroll to your WordPress website. This is a great feature to have if someone's scrolling down your website. They don't have to click on the next button. Once they reach the bottom of the first page, it just automatically loads the next page and the next page. So if you're ready, let's get started. The first way we're going to do this is by adding a plugin. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard. From here, we want to go to our plugins area. We'll click Add New, and we're looking for a plugin called Catch Infinite Scroll plugin. This is the one we're looking for, so go ahead and install it and make sure you stick around to activate it as well. Great, once it's activated, you can either click on Settings here, or if you ever have to come back and work on it, just look on the left for a tab called Catch Infinite Scroll. So let's click on that, and we'll just go through and fix the settings. From here, you want to decide how you want to load it on. We want to load it on scroll. So when they scroll down, it will activate it or trigger it. And from here, if you want to change the image that's up here, you can upload one of your own, but pretty much everything else is good to go right out of the box. There's not any other changes that you need to make. We just want to make sure we click Save Changes and just make sure that the finished text, you can adjust that if you want here as well, meaning once they've gone through absolutely all of the pages that are on the person's site or on your site, it'll just say there's nothing else to display. You've reached the bottom of the website. Now you see when I scroll down, anytime I start to hit the bottom, it goes to the next one. You see this is pulling up the next set for me. And then it will continue to do that until it finally hits all of my blog posts, at which point then it'll say nothing more to show. No more items to display. So very easy way to do the infinite scrolling. Now, if the Catch Infinite Scroll doesn't work for your theme, then you can try another one called the YITH Infinite Scroll, and it's just a simple alternative to it. So you want to go to Plugins, Add New, and I'll show you which one we're talking about. So we'll search for YITH Infinite Scrolling. And this is the one we want. So go ahead and install it and then make sure that you activate it as well. And we can either go to Settings here, or you also see a tab over here that you can click on. And just like with the Catch Infinite Scroll, it's a very simple interface. So we just turn on the infinite scrolling, and most of this information is nothing that we need to worry about. And then if you want to upload or change the loading image, then you can do that here. Otherwise, just save changes, and then you can go into your website and see it in action again. You see how it just turned on the next page, and as we keep scrolling, it's doing the same thing. Perfect for having the infinite scroll feature on your website. And then the cool thing about having infinite scroll is you're wanting to increase the time on page when people are keeping and staying on your site. And one of the best ways to see how your site is doing with, say, Google Analytics is by using something like Monster Insights. Monster Insights will show you time on page, and it even will show you a scroll feature that lets you know just how far down someone is scrolling on your website. And what this will do is it simply helps you improve the content so you can keep users on your site longer and providing value and more value for them. To get started with Monster Insights, just head over to monsterinsights.com and make sure you use promo code WPBVIP to get the best deal on Monster Insights. And thanks for watching.